my name is Shannon and I have extremely fine, thin hair. I can wear all of the ponyo sizes. Different sizes are great for different looks. The small one is great for sections of my hair, like these space buns or a half up style. I can use a small for a ponytail, as well as I love this size for my daughter. The medium is a little bit wider and it stands my ponytail up higher, and I can make it look fuller in the back. I find it makes my hair look thicker and I love that. I can even use the extra large, which makes my hair look super thick. If I feel like I want to have a big looking ponytail, I use the XL. Really, the bigger the piece, the thicker my hair looks. Shaping it properly really does matter. Once that's done, any of the sizes work for my fine hair. I can wear any of the sizes, even with hair extensions in, and they're so expensive, I don't want to damage them. If I want to tie up small portions of my hair or half of my hair, I use the small or medium ponyo. They have the same size opening, but one of them is actually wider than the other. So the small one doesn't make my hair stand as far away from my head, which is great for styling, such as tying off a braid or even this butterfly braid. As for the medium size, it gives me a bigger stand and a tighter hold because it's wider, so it's stronger. So the largest size is the best for my super thick hair when I'm wearing all my hair up. It lifts the weight of my hair too, so that it feels light and so comfortable. It is really important that I make sharp bends at the ends separately, so that when I do this, it lifts my hair and feels secure instantly. So I use a small and medium for sections of hair and the largest size for my hair all up. It's that simple.